Hi everyone, I'm here today to do an unboxing of Simon Says Stamps limited edition Valentine card kit for 2021. So I just received mine in my mail today. I was so excited. I thought I would jump on here and share with you all the contents of the kit. So let's go ahead and get started. And why don't we start with the new 6 by 8 inch stamp set that is in the kit, and it is called the For My Sweet stamp set. And here it is. And as you see, you get lots of great Valentine's themed stamps. I just love that little box of chocolates. It's going to be so much fun to color in. You also have the lips in the upper right hand corner that you can stamp with a red or a pink ink and just make a really, really fun background for a card. Some great sentiments like "You are my sweetest," "Love you." Just a really great Valentine's Day or love themed stamp set. And then we also have this exclusive Simon Says Stamp heart arrow die. So that is a fun way to add some die cuts to your Valentine's Day cards. And then we have this 6 by 6 pattern paper from Echo Park. It is part of the new Cupid and Company paper pack, and I'll show you. I also got the entire paper pack as well. So the entire paper pack has 24 sheets, and we're getting half of that. So you're getting one of each of the 12 different designs that are in the Echo Park pattern paper pack. So you get some different patterned paper for Valentine's Day, like these roses, all these little bicycles and little Valentine's like images. There's some gray gingham. There are also a couple of sheets with some Valentine's Day sentiments, and then some little gift tags as well. And then these little images as well that you can use for focal images for cards or just to embellish your card fronts. And I just love the colors. The colors are basically like red and pink and black and white. Just really, really great colors for Valentine's Day. Really, really pretty. And so now let's also take a look at this little ephemera pack that comes with the kit. So we'll get 33 different pieces of these little card stock ephemera. So I'll just show you all of those real quick. So there are a bunch of little tags that you can use for a gift bag or a little gift, or you could just make a card with a bunch of different tags. That's fun. And it matches the 6 by 6 pattern paper really, really well, as you can see there. And then we also get this little set of little see-through glossy stickers. So it's like a pink see-through paper. Maybe it's vinyl, I think. And it's called the Word Jumbles Pink and Gold stickers. And the print is gold. It's looking black in the video. At least that's how it looks for me. But when I flick it around a little bit, you could see that they are gold lettering. And then you get this 6 by 6 inch stencil. It's called Hot Lips. And you can use different distress inks over it, again, to make a fun background for a Valentine's Day card or any love themed card. I think that's just so, so cute. And then we also get these gift bags. So we get 3 fancy treat white bags, and they're pretty big. I think it's about the size of a standard sheet of paper. So I think it's about 8 inches across and maybe 11 or 12 inches long. So you could put a pretty big gift in there, and since it's white, you can decorate it with all of the different little things that are included in the kit. You could maybe stamp on or stencil on some little lips, or maybe make your own pattern paper bag and just stamp a whole bunch of the stamps on it. And then this, I love that red holographic cardstock that's included. We also get some pink, black, white, and craft cardstock. We get a slimline envelope in the pink, cotton candy pink, and then some envelopes in Schoolhouse Red, and then these 2 little mini see-through vellum envelopes as well, which are just really, really cute and make for fun little Valentines. So we also get a distress marker in the kit. I've never used one of these before. It has a fine tip and a brush tip. The fine tip on mine wasn't working well. I'm Since I haven't used them, maybe I just don't know how to activate it properly, but I did have a little trouble, as you can see, getting it to work. But in a moment, we'll flip it over and use the brush tip, and that was working perfectly on mine. So again, I'm not entirely sure how to use these. I don't know how they react with water or with alcohol. I don't know if you can watercolor with them. I'll have to experiment a little bit and get back to you maybe when I do the cards that accompany this kit. We'll see. And then in addition to this distress marker, we also get this glitter spray as well. And you do need to shake it before you use it. And I'm just going to spray some on this white cardstock. And a lot comes out, so I need to figure out again how exactly to use this. I wouldn't recommend just spraying it on a finished card because it does look like a lot of the spray comes out. So I'll have to experiment a little bit and let you know how I end up using it in my cards. And that is pretty much it for this limited edition Valentine's Day card kit. I am so looking forward to making some really, really fun cards with all these great items in the kit. I love, love, love that stamp set, and I can't wait to get my Copic markers out and start coloring up some of those images. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're having lots of fun making Valentine's Day cards, and I will see you again soon in another video showing you some of the cards that I've made with this kit. Thanks a lot, and see you soon.